In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get ribbon toolbar back in Outlook 365. If your toolbar disappeared, looks condensed, or only shows tab names, don't worry, this is usually just a display setting. I'll walk you through quick fixes and where to confirm your ribbon settings so everything shows up the way you expect. First, try the fastest toggle. On your keyboard, press Ctrl plus F1. This shortcut turns the ribbon on or off in the desktop app. If the ribbon suddenly pops back in or collapses, you've found the culprit. Pressing the same keys again will toggle it the other way, so use it until you land on the view you want. If you can see the tab names like Home or Send Receive but not the command buttons underneath, double-click any visible tab, such as Home. Double-clicking expands or collapses the ribbon. You can also right-click a tab and choose Collapse the ribbon to switch that setting. If Collapse the ribbon is checked, the ribbon will hide. If it's unchecked, it will stay open. Next, use the Ribbon Display Options button, which controls how much of the ribbon is visible. Look toward the top right corner of the Outlook window near the Minimize and Close buttons or at the edge of the ribbon itself. Click Ribbon Display Options, then choose Show Tabs and Commands to see the full ribbon with buttons, or select Always Show Ribbon if that option is available in your build. Either option ensures your commands remain visible while you work. If things still don't look right, verify your ribbon configuration in Outlook settings. Open Outlook, go to File, then Options, and select Customize Ribbon. On the right side of the dialog, you'll see a list of main tabs. Make sure key tabs like Home and Send Receive are checked. If a tab is unchecked, it won't appear in your ribbon at all, even if the ribbon is expanded, so turn on anything you need. If the ribbon has been heavily customized or feels out of sync, you can restore it to the default layout. In the same Customize Ribbon window, click Reset, then choose Reset All Customizations. Confirm when prompted, and select OK to apply. This returns the ribbon and quick access toolbar to their original state, which often resolves lingering display issues caused by past changes. That's it. Thanks for watching.